So here is the second season Spring Miku. This one did take a little while to get to us, but I'm very happy that it arrived. I really love that she has the little Easter basket. It is very cute. I love that her heel has an Easter egg on it. And the outfit is very adorable. Same with the ears. Unfortunately, there are a bit of paint everywhere. There is one directly on her nose, a little bit of blue. And there's just a bit of paint, this yellow paint on her white sleeve right here. And that's basically it, just a bit uneven texture and paint everywhere, but other than that, it's still really good figure and I love it.